Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Do I have a treat for you today? Today we are shouting out an amazing channel. I'm so glad I found him. Now why we're doing I said him. This is gonna be something. Wait for it. We are doing this, well, it's hard. I did a deep dive trying to find small crochet channels. I'll put the playlist up in the cards. And for me, when I am browsing YouTube, it kind of gives me the same suggestions. And there's just a plethora of smaller crochet channels, new crochet channels out there, new to me crochet channels that I have not seen before. It took a lot of digging, and I'm just so glad that Totally Fierce Crochet Channel popped up. Totally Fierce Crochet. You are gonna love him. He is in Germany, and he just makes all sorts of different stuff. Like, it's not the regular stuff that you see over and over and over. It is all new to me, at least, and he does knooking. Now, I was gonna Google knooking. I assume it is knitting with a crochet hook. I have not tried it. I think I should try it. He has some tutorials on it. He also has crunch stitch or something. Anyway, I'm gonna go over there and check a bunch of his things out. I'm also doing, I'm also gonna do one of his videos, which is the one I suggest you watch to start, which is top 10 things about me, something like that. I'll link it in the cards. You have to go and check it out. I'm gonna do the same thing. What I loved about his video is the effort he put into it. Like, he holds the camera in different spots. He has the cutest dog. Like, he takes us on a walk around this whole little town in Europe. I think it's in France. And it's just beautiful and different, like, the whole way through. So you're not just sitting there like I do, sitting here. You're going around with him. And I just thought that was really smart. I kind of want to do the same thing, but I was thinking maybe like around my house or my yard. Like, I'm not really going to venture too far. But I thought that would be such a great idea to do. Totally Fierce Crochet Channel has 16,300 subscribers when I was filming this, 360 videos. They are in Germany. And what he said about his channel is, crochet is my vibe. Welcome to the Totally Fierce Crochet Channel. Here you'll find new crochet tutorials regularly for everyone, from fun little challenges for beginners and experienced crocheters to little crochet inspirations using different, sometimes unconventional crochet techniques. Join in and have fun to crochet along with me. Feel free to contact me when you have any questions. Be you, be fierce. He just does amazing things. So go and check out his channel. I could gush for days. He doesn't know we're talking about him. Go and tell him that we are talking about him. And what else? Oh, watch his content. And if you jam with it as much as I do, or was I supposed to say gel? If you gel with it as much as I do, go ahead and subscribe, share with your friends. Tell everybody that there's a really cool crochet vibe going on in Germany, and just enjoy the content. It's amazing. Even just a scroll through his projects, amazing. All sorts of new stuff for me, new to me. So I really enjoyed it. I haven't even gotten halfway down his page. It's just like there's so much. I had to rush here to tell you all about it. So this is my Friday gift to you. Normally I do a live chat on Friday. Today I'm giving you no live chat, but I'm giving you Totally Fierce Crochet Channel. So go check it out. And let us know what you think, what your favorite video was down in the comments, and stay hooked. See you tomorrow for another one. You're going to love it. The whole weekend, I got you on point. You're going to love all of them. It's so good. Stay hooked. Okay, this is pretty great. If in doubt, move your own chair. Okay, hold on. Am I in the middle now? Is it too tall? I think top of the blue yarn. That's where it's at. I don't even know. I gotta, okay, make sure I'm not disheveled. If I get disheveled, just don't look. Okay, here we go.